Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a wireless shutter control release. So this one here is for certain cameras. I think they make them for different cameras. So just kind of explain what we've got here and see what it looks like. So it looks like, here we go. It comes with two of the devices. I'll just take out one, and it can screw onto your, onto your, what's it called? Onto your shoe or whatever it is to screw it on. And then in the back here, we have the two different cables here. We have one for each. So this here is going to plug into your back of your camera. You see that? And this will plug into the little remote. There we go. So there you have it plugged in there. You have this, you can push the button so you don't have to be pushing the button on there and shake your camera. Mostly what these are for, to keep the shaking away. So you can just push the button here and it's gonna work. It comes with a nice connector here, nice metal connector, and it will have the power button and it has the shutter button. And depending on how you have it set up, I think sometimes you hold it down to do video or whatever else, but very cool, nice little device here. So came with two of these. So if you are looking for a remote shutter for your camera, this one here looks like a great one. Thumbs up.